To port your number from Consumer Cellular, you'll need a transfer PIN. As of October 2025, the fastest way is through the Consumer Cellular app or website. Log in, verify your account with multi-factor authentication like SMS or email, and request the PIN. You can also call customer service at 1-888-345-5509. The PIN is typically delivered within an hour online or immediately over the phone. Remember, this PIN is valid for 30 days and can only be used once. Make sure you are the account owner and have an active line with a positive balance before requesting the PIN. Once you have your transfer PIN, contact your new carrier and provide them with the PIN, your Consumer Cellular account number, full name, address, and the last 4 digits of your SSN. The new carrier will initiate the porting process. This usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Consumer Cellular does not charge porting fees, but your new carrier might. The porting process shouldn't interrupt your service, but you may need a new SIM card. Incorrect information can cause delays, so double-check everything before submitting it. As of 2025, port-out fraud is a concern, so ensure you're dealing with a legitimate carrier.